wedding too. Oh, it's so nice here. Wow, it's here. We are here now. Leaning Tower of...
We are now here in the Leaning Tower.
The Leaning Tower.
Leaning Tower.
Leaning Tower gani. So tawa ka na yan, take ka sa...
Tower Mosque.
So we will just park here first.
Alright, we will take a photo sometime na tayo.
So, dito na kami sa Leaning Tower.
Yay!
Are you happy?
Are you happy?
Yung kutsura ni off shoulder. So the building itself is also tilting like this. Also tilting. So, and they have constructed a new building beside it.
Yeah, this one was built last 2023, guys.
2023? Ah, okay.
So, yun yung outfit. It's like a design, the same.
Ano pa rin ito kay daghang mga trees, o diba? Ibantay na ko din si baby kay mukuan siya, gunitis siya kay may mga sakyanan. Come here. Okay. So yan, pwede ka mag-pray sa loob sa mga Muslims. And then here, minaret doon ang tawag. Okay, so minaret of Museum Mosque, built by Sheikh Faisal bin Qasim bin Thani Al Thani in the year 1444, age 2022 AD. 2022 na siya, babe. Amazing. Minaret ang tawag. Dito, they're building new one. So they have a looks like an amphitheater. This one. Going to the theater. So nakapunta na kami sa amphitheater nila.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Ayan. Dito kami papasok.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Wow!
7, 8, 9.
So yan na yan. Dito na kami sa the center of amphitheater. Okay, so there's a story there.
Hi, Daddy. 1, 2, 3.
Init diri no, isusulod. Kaya nilang balay sa una, wala sila aircon. Init. Ay tagay. Okay, let's go now.
1, 2, 3.
Ayan na ang mosque. Okay. Heading to the museum entrance. So ayan, may mga halaman dito. Mary, come! Okay. So, ito yun. Exhibition hall. Ano rin mo dagat-dagat dito? So, mauni ganina amphitheater. The White Majlis. Okay. Let's Comic Arts. What is it? Ayan. So ito si FBQ Museum, founded in 1998. The Sheikh Faisal bin Qasim Al Thani is the brainchild of Al Thani's enduring passion for collecting international items of historical relevance. A museum with a global perspective, FBQ brings together over 30,000 works from various ages and from many cultures, representing a modern version of a cabinet of curiosities. The journey through over 30 galleries spans across several themes, drawing attention to similarities of artistic forms and cultural expressions among societies, from Qatari heritage to weapons, carpets, vehicles, jewelry, and currency, artifacts embodying Islam's visual culture and far-reaching tradition. The FB complex of museums includes the main site in Al-Shahaniya, the forthcoming car museum, and the carpet museum in the heart of Doha. So yan na yung mga bawal nila. Don't touch any object, involve nothing prohibited, no flash allowed, selfies is prohibited, big size luggage must be stored in the department. Riding on surfaces prohibited, chargeable solicitation is prohibited. No food allowed, no pets allowed, only mineral water allowed, sitting is allowed, baby strollers are allowed, the museum is surveillance with monitoring cameras, attention is to be carpet. Ayan.
Come on, let's go.
Thank you po. Mga lumang bangka. I can't. So now we're going to the small lake, artificial lake they created. Dates, babe. Oh, gagmay pa kayo. So, ito yung dates. Small, green. Yeah. Ito na dito. Natin yan yung mga isda.
Siguro. Go down. One, two, three, four.
Ayan na si Mary. So, dito lalabas yung mga bisita. Of coffee shop and gift shop, entrance only. Nasa mga coffee shop. Tara, manok ta. Okay. Wow. Sheikh Faisal Eliza Muhammad Al Thani Museum. Sarado na po nilang puan. Naman tayo tubig. It's closed now. We just quick, brother, how we will see. Ano yung mga sakyanan nila? Manindot ka ayo. Ano po dahil sakyanan ay mga truck. There are duck. Oh. Hi, duck. So, ito na yung duck nila.
Duck sa ibabaw, binaglok ko.
Okay, let's go.